If there is a platform where you can tell your friends to hop on and build their communities, and when they process their payments, and you get a percentage for a lifetime, making completely passive income, would you tell your friends about it? What if I told you that this platform actually exists and it handles everything from payments to community management to affiliate marketing to clipping, all while charging 50 to 70% less, even 100% less than what you're currently paying? I'm going to be breaking down exactly what Whop is and why it's becoming the go-to platform for serious digital creators. The digital product space has exploded over the last few years, but tools haven't been able to keep up. Most business owners are clumping a bunch of different softwares together that are expensive solutions like Kajabi for courses, Circle for community, and Stripe for payments, and Telegram for their chats or Discord. Before we get into it, if you don't already know, I'm Joseph Henry. I've been featured on Yahoo Finance, MarketWatch, Investors Observer, Morningstar for building a multiple six-figure-a-year business, and I've made millions of dollars collectively. I'm directly partnered with Whop, and in the last 6 months alone, I've brought in over $17 million of processing volume to their platform by helping creators just like yourself simplify their tools to help run their business. Now let me show you exactly what Whop is and why it might be the solution that you've been looking for. So what exactly is Whop? Whop is an all-in-one platform for selling digital products, services, and memberships online. And some people are calling it a social business, kind of comparable to social media, but it's like social media where you can make money. It was originally founded in 2021, and it's specifically designed for creators who want to cash in their knowledge, their content, communities, and unlike other platforms like Shopify, Whop is built from the ground up for digital offerings like online courses, SaaS products, communities, virtual events and webinars, and clipping content. The key difference is that Whop combines everything that you need all in one place, from a store page to payment processing to access management, and as a result, removing the need for multiple expensive platforms. 2, why creators are switching to Whop. So there's 4 big reasons I'm seeing that creators are flocking to Whop right now. First off, I don't know if you know this, but Iman Gadzhi just became a co-owner of Whop, and he just recently did a challenge where tens of thousands of people were watching. This brought in a whole lot of eyeballs and a lot of attention to Whop. Secondly, it's 100% free. While other platforms like Kajabi are charging $199 a month and Teachable takes 10% of your sales, Whop is completely free and only makes a small percentage on all of your transactions. For a creator doing $50,000 a month, that's the difference between a creator paying $5,000 in fees versus $1,500. Third, Whop offers in-house financing options that other platforms don't. Your customers can pay for your high-ticket offers over the span of 24 months, but you get paid up front. This feature alone has increased conversion rates by 30 to 40%, sometimes higher for many of our clients. Fourth, Whop has a built-in dispute fighting system. I've had a customer file a chargeback on a digital product, so I know how painful it can be. This is someone that went through all of my content, that got one-on-one support from me, but still called their bank to get their money back. This is fraudulent, and Whop has ways to fight these disputes better and also catch these disputes before they ever happen. Whop actively fights disputes on your behalf and has an extremely higher win rate than if you were handling them yourself. Fifth, Whop has a built-in marketplace where new customers can discover your products. Think of it like an app store, but for digital products where you get exposure to buyers that are already looking to purchase digital content. Okay, now let me break down the specific features that make Whop stand out. Store pages. You get to fully customize your store page, and it's almost like a funnel that matches your brand, and this is what people see when they first come to your Whop. You can put a photo, you can put videos, you can put headlines, sub-headlines, you can include who this is for, and you can include multiple price packages on that page. We also recently added one-click upsells and order bumps so that when people buy, they can get offered more stuff that they can then buy after they've already paid. Multi-tiered pricing. You can create different membership levels with specific access and benefits. This is perfect for creating upsell opportunities. So that, with the order bumps and the upsells, absolutely crazy. You can also integrate Discord. Discord seamlessly integrates so you can actually connect your community with an automatic role assignment based on the purchases. If someone cancels their membership, they can automatically get kicked out of that Discord. And you can also do the same thing with Telegram. Next, the affiliate system. There's a built-in affiliate program that lets your customers and partners promote your products and get a commission. And this is a commission that you set. Next thing, the payment flexibility. You can accept credit cards, cryptocurrency. You can have people pay via Klarna, Afterpay, Sezzle, ZipPay, and a bunch of other financing options. They could pay with Google Pay. They could pay with Apple Pay. They can even pay with Cash App. Next, you get an analytics dashboard. You could track your sales. You could track conversion rates, churn, and customer lifetime value all in one place. Who Whop works for best, based on my experience, helping hundreds of creators transition to Whop, here are the types of businesses that benefit the most. 1, course creators. If you're selling a course above $1,000, Whop's financing options alone can increase your conversion rates by 30% or more, like I mentioned. 2, community owners. If you're running a paid Discord or Slack community or Telegram, Whop's automatic access management gets rid of hours of manual work. 3, digital product sellers. If you're selling templates like Notion templates, templates or doc templates, or you're selling software or other digital goods like PDFs and ebooks, Whop's dispute protection can save you thousands upon thousands of dollars. For coaching businesses, if you're offering coaching services and you do group coaching, let's say on every Wednesday you have a 1-hour group call, you can use the live streaming feature to live stream to people in your community, and you can also allow those people to live stream with you where they can ask you questions and you answer while everyone else is watching. You can also embed your Calendly directly into Whop, so if people need to book on and talk to you directly, they can do exactly that without having to leave the Whop platform. And you can have your courses and all your other stuff that go along with your coaching business, and any activity that they take on the platform is going to be documented to go along with all the evidence if in the case they ever file a dispute. I know I keep mentioning the dispute stuff. Maybe I've been burned a little bit too much, but this is definitely going to help a whole lot as a coaching business or digital product seller. Listen, Whop is not going to be perfect for everybody. Here's a quick list to figure out if it's right for you and your business. You'd be a good fit if you sell digital products, courses, memberships. Your offers are priced at maybe $50 or more. You're currently using multiple platforms to run your business. You want to offer payment plans without the risk of having to chase your clients and them not paying you. You're tired of fighting chargebacks and disputes and constantly losing. And you want to launch an affiliate program where people can help sell your products and you're able to pay them a percentage. If you're dealing with or need 3 or more of these, this is definitely for you. Whop can definitely save you thousands of dollars and help you make thousands of dollars while simplifying your business. Listen, the digital product landscape is going to be changing rapidly. If you're still running your business with messy tools and thin margins, you simply won't be able to keep up with the ones that do adapt and do push forward. Whop isn't just a social business space. It's representing a core shift in how digital products are going to be sold online, combining all the tools you need into one platform, all while reducing the headaches that come along with running a business like this. And if you want, I've created a free program on Whop Affiliates that walks you through everything in grave detail on how to become an affiliate with Whop and bring in lots of big creators and business owners so that you can make thousands and thousands in passive income by bringing in these business owners and making a percentage of everything that they process on Whop. And that's for life. So if you want to learn more about that and you want to get really good at that, definitely click the link down in the description to get access to that. If you like this video, definitely like it, hit the subscribe, turn on notifications, and drop a comment down below with the word Whop so that I know you made it to the end of the video. Looking forward to seeing you on the next one.